Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a new pre-sale. The project name is Daulton and this is like kind of a dog. This is more just one meme token and pre-sale is live. I will show you how to buy that token and what's all about the roadmap, like their active social media, they like for the pre-sale 9 days and 21 hour left. So now I am recording this video, but before starting I want to tell that it's not a financial advice, it's just informational video. So let's get started and see how it works. This is the home page of Daulton. As you can see, this is like options about how to buy, the roadmap, claim and frequently asked questions. So it's like clear. The main thing now is the pre-sale. Daulton pre-sale is live, 9 days left. You can see you can buy that with Ethereum, USDT and with your own card. But before going through it, let's see what is Daulton all about. Join the mission to save dogs and spread joy. Experience the excitement of being an early supporter of Daulton, the meme coin dedicated to make a difference. Participate in our pre-sale to secure tokens at the best price and help us bring joy to dogs in need worldwide. So the adventure begins. Our pre-sale is now open, inviting everyone to join the Daulton community and secure. So the Daulton at a special early bird price. So you can see here how to buy it with Ethereum, USDT and card. Fundraise, like you can see, it's between 1 million like USDT dollars, like consider how you want. There first of all you have to add your wallet. There you can see wallet connect, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. I prefer here MetaMask and also Trust Wallet. As you can see there, I already installed MetaMask. You just add it and then after you deposit funds. If you don't have in your wallet, you deposit funds, and after that you go dive into this and buy this token. For example, let's choose USDT. For example, I want to buy with 100 USDT. As you can see, there is so much with so many with quantity, 100,000 of Daulton. You can now buy with the low price and then sell with the high price because it's like early stages. The price sale is at early stages, so it's so easy, just buy with the low price and sell with the high price. So let's going down into about us. You can see it's a meme coin. It's clear for us. Pre-sale stage 1 is 0 and 001 per token. The second stage is 3x if you buy just right now with 0.1 and 0.01 per token and then sell that, you will make 3x. It means 300%. So stage 3 is 5x and stage 4 this price gonna be. They think they consider listing price is 0.01. So it's great. At the same time it's great, but I don't advise anything. It's just my opinion. I love that project. It's just your choice, your own choice. So inspiration. Daulton draws its inspiration from an adorable and sweet Pomeranian named Daulton, known for spreading love and joy to everyone he meets. This coin was born out of the desire to extend that same joy and love to dogs in need by providing them with protection and finding them forever homes. So you can see there he or she is very cute. Here you can see mission is supporting charities, raising awareness, community engagement. So you can see tokenomics, pre-sale bonuses, it's 25%, charitable causes 25, DEX decentralized exchanges, centralized liquidity is 20%, treasury marketing is 15%, staking is 10%, and the left like 5% is early contributors. So token supply you can see here. So here is how it works. You can see how to buy that. I already explained you. Connect wallet, buy and claim your Daulton tokens. So supporting charities you can see here. Key features. So charity first, you can see that PreSale limits. So the main link is at the description below. Also the Twitter is at the description below. Just check it and you will see. So going through that link, go through that link and you can buy this token. Supply dynamics, support mechanism, you can see staking. This is all the explanation. Burning, how it's burned, how like you can stake that. Dedicated charity wallet, there the impact token. So Daulton future opportunities, saving lives globally, donate Daulton NFT series. So staking and burning Daulton, you know. So buy Ethereum, USDT, Solana with like MoonPay, and also you can change it. You can buy like from this website to purchase Daulton token from our PreSale. Yeah, the roadmap also. Let's see, my dear friends. Phase 1 is launch. As you can see, like PreSale launch the Daulton token in a fair and transparent PreSale. This like liquidity, local liquidity for DEX, CX, MMBS, really fun. Charity wallet, DEX listing. You can see marketing campaign. So CoinGecko DEX scanner list on CoinMarketCap. So like the goals and so many for this project. Don't miss. That's why don't miss this. The phase 2 is growth, CX listings. You can see community expansion, scarcity, airdrop campaign, NFT collection. Here, you know, global impact. The phase 2 is like tier 1 CX listings like Bybit, BingX, Binance. Who knows? Everything can be in this sphere. So global partnerships, expand partnerships on a global scale, and so on. Upcoming listings, there is Uniswap, this like decentralized and is centralized like BitGet. You can see Bitmart, Max, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Gate.io. Claim your tokens. See your claimable tokens here. You can see, and frequently asked questions. What is Daulton? This like explanation is just one more meme token. How do I purchase? I explained that. No need to see that frequently asked questions because I know your questions, and that's why I answered that. So claim. Facts, how to buy. Now let's see. Here is Twitter. They have Twitter, they have Telegram. So you can see like they have active social media, more than 21,000 followers. They post like a daily. Here you can see daily posts. There you can see friends. So you can check it. It's really fun and interesting because you never miss their updates. You can see what it's all about, how to join that, giveaways you can see, and so on, so many things. Airdrop is live, you can see, and so many things. And also they verified themselves on Twitter. So they have Telegram. Let's take a look. They have more than 4,000 of subscribers. So all the main links are at the description below. So for today it's enough. Thanks for watching me till the end. Subscribe to my channel, put likes, write out comments about this project and the pre-sale. So see you at the next video. So bye my friends.